Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create Twitter or X account. So first is you want to go to our App Store or Play Store, type X and then search for it. Then the first option here there, formerly Twitter, which is the X. Tap on Get for you to start this app downloading to your device. And this is kind of similar thing with Twitter, but what's something different is that it has changed its name and logo. So once you have this downloaded to your device, then you can start creating your account. Open it, and then once you open the app, after that, click on the little people icon on the upper left, and then it will open this profile side. Then you can now start creating an account from there. You can choose between the two methods, whether creating it with your Google account or just creating an account. So I'll just choose this, directing it with my email because it's kind of easy. And then you have to choose which language that you want to use. You can select a couple of language. You can also select just one, and then when you go select, then tap on the next button. Then you can write here your birth date. So keep in mind that this is not public, and when you finish, you can go again and tap next. And also you need to enable this option, and you are customized for you to customize your experience using this app. Then X app will ask you what username are you going to use. So what should we call you? And then you can just tap in and tap next. So you'd be able to also ask to follow one or more accounts in here. Then you want to go next. And that's it. So hope this helps. Please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates.